Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A.
At ngayon naman ay tatry natin ang chain rule. Ang formula ng chain rule is H prime of X is equals D over dx and G, and then sa ating loob ay ang F of X is equals to G prime times F of X hindi na perfect. F of X and then times F prime X. At ito naman ang ating problem. Kita ang cellphone hindi. F of X is equals to 5x squared minus 4x plus 2 raised to cube. So, ang gagawin natin, itong 3, mag-imagine tayo dito na lagyan natin ng 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And then, ito naman ang ating 5x squared minus 4x plus 2. Ito yung ating f of x. And then, 3 minus 1. So, mangyayari, ang derivative ng 5x squared is 10x minus derivative ng 4 ay 4. At ang derivative naman ng 2 ay 0. So, hindi na natin yung isasama. At ang 3 naman na ito ay distribute natin dito sa ating binomial. Equals f prime of x 5x squared. Ibababa lang natin to siya guys. Minus 4x plus 2 squared. 3 times 10x is equals to 30x. And then 4 times 3 is equals negative 12. At ito na ang ating sagot sa ating chain rule.